Everyone. So this video is to serve the purpose of helping people edit videos with their laptop. So this video is just going to show you ways on how to use a particular software named Capcut here. How to use it to edit videos, large videos, what to do, how to add logos, how to add text, how to transition, how to fade in and fade out. So let's go. I've already opened it here. So when you open it, it is just a very straightforward process. But mind you, when you want to make use of CapCut or any video editing software, make sure you have enough space that would contain the software and also the videos that you are using or you want to edit, so you would not crash your laptop. Make sure the RAM, everything is running perfectly well. Make sure your laptop or your computer is healthy. That's just like it's really functional. I'm going to put you through um various features of this amazing app called CapCut. They're not paying me for ad, but okay. So here we are going to, when you come here, you find import. This is where you import videos, audios, and photos of any kind. Then let me just go. Let's just try it. So let's say I want to edit this video from church CCI. I click on the clips that I want to edit and I click on open and I give it time. It's importing what I need, and as you can see, it has appeared here. So all you need to do is just add them. You can press the plus sign that you're seeing there. It's automatically going to come here. Okay, so you give it time, let it load. Once it's loaded, once everything is settled, so now as you see how it is so small here, it is really small here. So all you can do is come here. I honestly do not know the names of these things, but okay, let's just go ahead with the process. So you're going to come here and just stretch it out a bit to your desired taste so that you see where the videos stop. So it's easy for you to navigate, it's easy for you to go through them. So yeah, I call this a finder. I do not know what the name is, but this will help you easily locate any clip you're looking for. So now, for me, I do not like stretching it out as much. I just like seeing where the videos are meeting, and these are where the two videos are meeting here. So now that that's done, we are going to go to audio is another feature. For this type of videos, we do not need to add any other sound because it has its own sound already. So there's really no need. But just for, learning's sake, there's sound effects, any sound effect you're looking for. There is you can extract your audio from your video and all of that. So let's say I want to extract this audio. I come here. I can also press Ctrl Shift S, but I can just right click and click separate audio. That is if I want to work on the audio separately, if there is a need, or I just need to see the audio separately. So you could do that. But really though, there's really no need for you to do that. So you can just leave it as it is. So if you want to add a text, this is the text section. There are default text that you can easily just add. Exactly, just like that. Is loading. Okay, so you can easily just add it and it's going to show up, and you can just easily like move around, play around with it. Come here to the text box, edit, and you can be like, just add a random text or the text that you desire. Then you can easily still reduce the size by coming to any of the corners and just using your mouse to like reduce it. And you can use your mouse holding down the left keypad on your mouse and just moving it around. So that's another way you can add in text. And there are text templates that you could use in case you need to add some text, in case you are told to add texts to the videos. So these are like things you could also use as well, but we don't need all of this in our video, so we're just going to take them out. Okay, now there are also stickers. We may not necessarily use them for this video, and these are effects. Now I do not use effects, but I use the fade in and fade out. So let's go in here. This is, we want to join these two separate videos to become one full video that would flow and ease through, so it won't seem like it was roughly patched. So now, as you can see, the video is playing and I want it to flow. I want it to not seem like it was cut and join. So as it's playing, you see the difference. Okay, I think I need the audio on. Hold on. Quickly on it back. God bless you. Did you see that break? That dark, that blank? We do not want that at all. So, oh, apparently this is meant to be in front. Oops, my bad. Okay, so now that it's in front, we have, this is the video that we are trying to connect here, that to make it flow, to make it seem seamless. So what you're going to do is to tap on it, go to audio, go to fade in, go to fade out, and just move it to like 2 seconds. Perfect. So the video and the audio is going to just fade out into the next video.
How you all
Watch.
doing? Well, by the way, you guys eat good. PM they preach, I beg. Hallelujah. I want to say I'm proud of you now and for you already know, right? And then see Lady T. Lady T, I need to show you off a little. Come, come. Let them see. Let them celebrate grace. The program. The entire program is wrong.
You see the way it went smoothly into the next video. The audio just started slowly dissolving and reducing into the next audio. So that's what we are looking for. So it doesn't seem too tacky or not put in place or whatever. So now this is Celebration Church's video, so we need to add their logo. So you come to import. Let's say you've downloaded the logo here. Because it is dark, I think I'm going to go for the logo that has a little bit of white on it. This is perfect. And then once it comes in, you can drag it or you can just press add. So we're going to stretch it all the way to the end. That's too much. So we stretch it all the way to the end, and we're going to come to the corner and we're going to reduce it, and then we're going to take it here. This is my top left. Yeah. So let's go back and we're going to watch it.
Lord, we thank you for giving us the privilege to be able to see you face to face. We thank you for the sacrifice of your
Voila.
son.
You have the Celebration Church logo and everything seems to be going smoothly. And also try to always rewatch your videos at least twice before putting it out there, so that if you see things that you feel like doesn't represent what you want to put out there, you can easily make adjustments or take them out. So once you're done with this, you can be satisfied that, oh yeah, this is going great, this is looking nice, this is going amazing. Every other thing you really don't need to touch, you really don't need to make any adjustments if this is the video you're actually working on. But if you have other videos that you're working on, there are other things you need to put in consideration, like transitions are like blenders. They help you go from one particular clip to another particular clip, transitioning into another particular clip easily. So I don't think that is applied in videos like these, because all you need to do is just to make sure that they blend in, because it's still the same content at the end of the day. So once you're done with this and you're satisfied, you come to export and you click on export. So when you click on export, you change the name of your folder to however or whatever you want to name it to. I'm just going to name it this, and you everything is automatically going to click on itself, but you can also use this as reference. The watermark is removed, other things, and then you just click on export. The file already exists because I've already edited this video. So when you click on export, it automatically exports and you have your full video. So now, once you have your full video, how do you upload to YouTube? How do you upload to YouTube? So here I am on YouTube Studio. I would easily just come to create, upload video. Let's say I want to upload, you click on select file. Let's say I want to upload CCI Abuja video. I click on it, I locate it, I go to my desktop, locate it. It could be in a folder on your desktop that Capcut would create for you once you automatically start installing Capcut, or once you start saving videos. So you open it, it automatically picks your videos, and then because I already have this one uploading already, but then you can come include the title. If there's a description that needs to be put, you put it there, and you include the thumbnail, and it just shows you the whole process. It's pretty straightforward, very 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 straightforward. So that's how you have your video uploaded. So I hope this actually helps you, and if you have any question, you can reach out to me on the group chat and I'll be willing to help. Thank you.